pansy clap.
You're gonna start right from the beginning. This first video in months, and that's how you're gonna start off.
Lipping off.
Okay, guys. So it's been like a month and a half since we put a video up, and I know a lot of you guys are expecting us to start this 160-year-old heritage flip like a month ago. Well, so we got kind of delayed on our closing. Yeah. So what happened was we were supposed to take the keys May 1st and get possession and have everything done that day. Right before we got the keys, I
got a phone call.
So the lawyer just called me. You're not gonna like this. Financing's been pulled.
What are you talking about? Financing is pulled. We signed the papers already.
So
wait, hold on. Wait a sec. How the did they pull financing? What for? According to them, the reason they walked away was because of the appraisal.
However,
the appraisal came in exactly where it was supposed to.
Yeah. But
the house is in really rough condition. So even though the dollar value was assessed at $370,000, which is what we paid, the quality of the property was still only moderate. So
no, they said fair. They said fair condition.
Right,
and
fair.
Apparently it's unfair to use the word fair in an appraisal report.
There's actually some parts of the foundation don't even have a footing. Mm-hmm. So we're gonna fix all that. So like that's the entire point of why we bought the property. We want to buy a property that's in rough shape so that we can so we can do the repairs and make some money, make a profit during the restoration of the property. So closing got delayed for about 2 weeks. Then again, about 1 day before.
No, it was the day of.
Was it the day of?
Again. Yeah.
Second time, second lender walked away for the same reason. Last minute, final deadline, we finally were able to get a secured mortgage, and we got the keys last Friday. I've been working on the property all week, got everything in motion. I guess I'll just let you guys take a look at what we did. All right, so this is it, day one. We're just getting ready to start demo. So I think the first thing we're gonna do today is we're gonna pull up all these carpets. Obviously, we're not saving anything on this main floor. We're gonna roll up the carpets and get those into the dumpster. We've already got a 20-yard dumpster outside. And then I think we're going to probably start by peeling off all the plaster and lath off of these interior walls. So that's gonna be an extremely messy job. I've been waiting for this job for like 2 months. So I'm fired up, I'm ready to go. It's just me and Christian today actually, so there's just 2 of us doing this. Watch and learn. Marty. How do you think that was? Okay, I gotta do this quick because I don't want to leave my mask off too long up here in this attic. But take a look what I'm sitting on right now. I'm on top of a wall, so I'm not gonna collapse. You see me here sitting on top of this wall. But look at these joists here. Ceiling joists. They're 2 inches, or they're about 2 1/4 wide by 4, but they're not resting on a wall. Anywhere that you have a seam like this, 2 pieces attached, it's gotta be sitting on a wall, right? So the end of this ceiling joist is sitting on nothing. It's just nailed into this other one. And then to strengthen it, they've added this 1x3, which is fastened up to the ceiling rafter. So, like, they know it's not safe. But look, there's only one there, and then they skip this one, so that one's totally floating. So if I stomp on that, that'll collapse. That's just basically floating from there to there. So it's only held in by 2 nails. Just reinforces what I was saying, but we got to reframe this whole building. I mean, it's a heritage home. We want to save as much as we can, but we're not about to save shit, right? There's no value in shit. Should we save all this knob and tube wiring too? Look at all this knob and tube everywhere. There's the tube part of the, so there's your knob and tube wiring. It's everywhere. I mean, as far as I'm concerned, the only thing we're paying for when we bought this place is the stone exterior and the lot, right?